We're about ready to leave here. We're just about on the way to the airport here. We're going to Portugal. We're really excited about it. Portugal's on the west coast of Europe, in a very far southwest corner.
Portuguese Learner's Dictionary.
One woman, and I walked up to her. She was just about wrapping up the whole place. I told her, I said, hey, is this market every day? And she couldn't understand it. Well, I typed it in and she did Google Translate and she could understand it in Portuguese what I meant. And I said, I have something for you, thank you for the information. And I gave her that one track. She really went through it.
This other guy, he was just very nice to talk to, just a nice conversation. We talked about having some friends in Mozambique who speak Portuguese there.
Pero es posible también para visitar con nosotras amigas. She was very excited. She didn't expect any phone call or that we were here or anything.
She's originally from Ecuador and has very little fellowship